Review the 10,000 watt power acoustic. Oh my god, I'm scared. Half an ohm. The reveals, ready? Oh my god, I'm scared. That's a big motherfucker. There's my hand. Wow. That's a nice amp. It might not do all its rated power that it's gonna say, but this motherfucker's still gonna throw a lot of power, especially for the price. And then here's the little brother. This one's a little smaller. Still throws a lot of power though. There's this bad boy. Super big. It's a beautiful amp. Then I got these 12,000 watt tarantula. 6,000 watt tarantula. Oh my god, I'm scared. Now this motherfucker, they actually throw a lot of power. You know what? Let's go ahead and do the review on the 12,000 watt. This sucker right here. Could have had the light on this whole time. These are perfect for small trucks. They have super big components in there. They're pretty heavy for this little amp. It's pretty damn heavy. I know this amp will push a lot of power just by the looks of it. And I already sold a couple of these, so yeah, these things push some power.